Lauren's a black puppy and she's really special. She has some white coat here. It's really, really beautiful. She's a very, very sweet girl. Very friendly, yet very calm and gentle around the house. I can just pick her up and do anything to her. This little girl, pull her legs, pull her ears, and she doesn't get upset at all. She has a really nice shiny fur coat, and she's only about close to 6 months old right now. And when she grows up, she's going to be pretty much a very good medium-sized dog. And you can tell at this young age, she's going to be absolutely great dog. Very wonderful and very gentle. And we're going to start some basic obedience training with her, starting with some commands. And with just minimum training, I can tell that when she grows up, she's going to be a really, really stable and just a really gentle, easygoing type of dog. Yeah? Look at how sweet. I mean, I'm holding her here. She could just stay. I could probably do this for an hour, right? Just hold you. Yeah? Yeah? Wanna come down? Come. No? Come. Good. Look at that tail wagging. Look at that tail wagging. They're living in a home with many dogs. They're absolutely very easygoing in the living room. Hi.